Welcome to Leader Lifestyle Hub. As we have set the target of completing 200 book summaries in the entire year, here comes the book number 146. The name of the book that we have today is AI 2041. Let us see the brief information about the book. Before going further, let us see the author details. Kai-Fu Lee and Chen Qiufan. These are the two authors who wrote the book. Let us see the information about Kai-Fu Lee. He is a Taiwanese computer scientist, businessman, and writer. He is currently based in China, and Lee developed a speaker-independent continuous speech recognition system as his PhD thesis in his college, Carnegie Mellon University. He is the chairman and CEO of Innovation Ventures, a leading venture capital firm that manages a 2.5 billion USD fund focused on developing the next generation of Chinese high-tech tech companies. And the other author of the same book is Chen Qiufan. He is also known as Stanley Chen, as a Chinese science fiction writer, columnist, and scriptwriter. His first novel was The Waste Tide, which combines realism with the allegory to present the hybridity of humans and machines. Now, from these two authors, we are going to see one powerful book, AI 2041, which has been written recently, 2021. In this book, they have shared 10 visions of our future. We will see what are the 10 visions of our future after this summary. Let us see the target audience of this book as well as top 3 lessons from this book. If you have any queries, you can shoot out in the chat box or comment box. So let us see the target audience first. Those who are passionate about technology and IT industry. For them, this book will help in few generating ideas. The 34-year-old professor in engineering or science who wants to deliver more interesting lectures, or anyone who works in marketing or IT who wants to know more about the current AI trend and prepare for acts accordingly at their workplace. Those who are working in their industry and looking for how to AI implement in their workplace and improve that. AI 2041 explores the concept of artificial intelligence and delves into some thought-provoking ideas about AI taking over the world in the next 20 years, from our day-to-day lives to our daily jobs, becoming a worldwide used tool that will shake the world as we know it from the ground up. This book has been written in 2021. Hence, it is kept like AI 2041, means aiming for 20 years in the future. So let us listen from one of the author of this book, Kai-Fu Lee. AI ever allows us to truly understand ourselves. It will not be because these algorithms captured the mechanical essence of the human mind. Not because of this, but it will be because they liberated us to forget about optimizations and to instead focus on what truly makes us human, loving and being loved. So AI is truly helping us to understand ourselves and to focus on what truly makes us human and to forget about our optimizations. Let us see the small information about the book AI 2041. AI seems like a futuristic concept yet to be a reality. However, we are already living in an AI-driven world. Currently, we are in the AI-driven world, whether we want to acknowledge it or not. We live in houses with AI-based security systems, audio devices, and gadgets. Even in the mobile phones, we have seen lots of advancements through the AI, hand recognition, thumb recognition, and lot of features came in the AI camera as well. These advancements can ease our life to a point where they are able to open up the fridge for us. Still, this is just the beginning of AI revolution. When we talk about the transforming world as we know it, it implies innovations that will develop new ways of living. Take autonomous cars for an example. Up until recently, we have been driving cars ourselves, but thanks to groundbreaking technology, that's not the case anymore. We have automated car driving. AI took over video games as well. Thanks to this technology, you can now play games that do not even simulate reality to the finest detail. Rather, they augmented reality, allowing users to experience otherwise impossible things. AI 2041 by Kai-Fu Lee explains how these changes will occur and the role AI plays in our lives for the next 20 years. It places the reader at the meeting point between the present and the future. The book explains how AI technology is developing rapidly, taking over our lives and the way we work, the way we learn, and the way we live. When it comes to the future, the possibilities are endless, as AI is only going to develop and improve more and more and more and more, transforming our world from every point of view. Let us see the top 3 lessons from this book, what we can take it further, and we will see the 10 future visions of our future after the 3 lessons. Here are my 3 favorite lessons of the book. Deep fake technology can be a harmful tool if it ends up in the wrong hands. So currently there is a lot of buzz going on the deep fake technology, but it will go as a harmful tool if it goes to the wrong hands. If used correctly, AI can help people learn in unique ways. AI can help people learn in unique ways. The world is heading towards an AI-driven mixed reality. Today morning, as I opened in the Zoom meeting, I have seen 2 AI features included in the Zoom meeting, which is nothing but AI companion is included, as well as show summary also included in the Zoom meetings. That means you know how much fast it is AI is moving further. Let us see each and every lesson in detail. Lesson number 1, with AI, people can now create deep fakes extremely close to reality. There is no doubt that AI can help us achieve great things. Let us take an example. Google Translate help millions of users every day to understand foreign languages or multiple different languages. Also, AI systems in the hospitals can centralize data and help spot and treat disease using common patterns. Like if you have already trained data of the previous patient's information, you can easily treat the upcoming patients with minute changes in the medicine or with minute changes in the treatment. However, harnessing the power of AI can prove to be a challenging feat in the wrong hands. If it goes to the wrong hands, such powerful technology can be so much destructive, like a nuclear energy. If you use the nuclear energy for the natural resources, it will become very constructive. If you use the same nuclear energy in the atom bombs, it will become destructive. Take BuzzFeed's video of Barack Obama calling Donald Trump a total dipshit in 2018. This went into the wrong hands at the time of 2018. BuzzFeed's video of Barack Obama calling Donald Trump. The only problem here is the video was a deep fake created with the help of AI to shed some light on its potential harm of it. In the 2018 itself, the limitations of the AI technology also came, which is nothing but the deep fake created by the BuzzFeed video. Therefore, you always have to be skeptical regarding what you see online. However, there are still ways to spot and prove a fake from the original. If the situation asks for it, means there are upcoming features also coming where you can identify which is real and which is fake. Computers are not sufficiently advanced to make sense of images like the human brain does. But with enough data, AI systems won't take too long until they can fake any image, fake any video, or fake any online piece of content. So that's how the deepfakes are going to upcome in the future and overcome the current content generation world. Let us move on to the lesson number 2. AI has the potential to help people learn better and easier and unique ways. AI can improve to be a leveraging tool in the learning process. Moreover, it can help children become more communicative and increase their engagement with the world. Let us say a child has a hard time integrating into class and cannot make friends easily. On top of that, they don't feel comfortable speaking their mind and being around other kids, means those who are in reserved state. Given a magic pair of glasses, the kid now can see a funny looking fictional character that speaks to him, like a genie. If a kid is about to speak to genie, and thanks to the available information and biometric data, it seems that the character knows all about them. To the kid's surprise, this persona, the genie, seems to understand them like no one else, and they become the best friends. Now the AI can dictate the course of this friendship and help the kid become more sociable and encourage them to speak their mind. So AI can also help the students or people, children or workers to learn in many unique ways. Another way through which AI can help people is accelerating the learning process. AI-derived educational software systems can help teachers grade papers, assign tasks, answer questions about lectures, while leaving more time for professors to engage with students. Let me repeat this. AI-derived educational software systems can help teachers grade papers, like evaluate the papers, assign some tasks, answer few questions about the lectures or the notes content, whatever they have, while leaving more time for professors to engage with the students rather than focusing on the content. While AI cannot teach emotional intelligence and human interactions, the limitation of AI is it can't teach human interactions and emotional intelligence. It can definitely help reduce the burden of the repetitive tasks, means it will help in the automative tasks. Let us see the lesson number 3. Augmented reality, mixed reality, and extreme reality will become a common go-to place for people. Augmented reality, AR, is the taking over the world right now. With just a pair of glasses and the help of highly advanced software that can replicate the real world and add certain extra elements, people can now have out of the ordinary experiences. If you have gone through the Reliance Jio, they have launched the glasses where they can watch the cricket match in more augmented reality. That's how the world is moving ahead. In the extra reality, people get to feel and experience almost anything from day-to-day activities like a meeting to paranormal experiences like seeing ghosts, talking to fictional characters from movies, and so on. All it takes is a tailored questionnaire to be able to feed the machine your data, and the experience of a lifetime is waiting behind a pair of virtual reality glasses. These virtual worlds work extremely well on people because they deliver customized experiences for the user and show them familiar items from their actual life. Still, the technology is yet to be fully developed, but with the help of AI, these machines will able to reproduce, augment, and create experiences for their users that are better than their actual lives. In some cases, there are few people who already prefer their VR glasses and video games to the live interactions, how like PUBG came into the experience. Let us see the 10 visions of our future from this book, AI 2041. Let me open that. So here is the AI 2041 chapter. In this, you have 10 visions. First vision is the golden elephant. And the second vision is all about gods behind the masks, twin sparrows, contactless love, my haunting idol, the holy driver, quantum genocide, the job savior, isle of happiness, dreaming of plenitude. So currently, recently, I have found interest in this book. So I have purchased this. I will be reading this and I will be sharing few more lessons in upcoming book summaries. So stay connected, keep progressing. If you have any queries, you can shoot out any questions in the Zoom meeting as well. Right now, the Zoom meeting also provided the AI companion and showing summary. Thank you so much. See you in another book summary tomorrow. Until then, stay connected, keep progressing. If you see in the chart, there is a AI catch me up. In the meeting so far, we have introduced the book that we'll be discussing, which is about 10 visions of our future. And it has given the most interesting summary order. Thank you so much. See you in more upcoming AI futures. Until then, stay